This call is now being recorded.
Good morning once again, girls.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, Good morning,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine, better now, better. You all can mute your mics, and when I ask a question, you should be able to answer. Everybody will not answer. I will see the names on the screen, and I will ask that girl to answer. So nobody is going to answer out of turn. Okay?
Ma'am, can I tell the name? My turn have not come.
No, but I haven't even asked questions. How will I know that your turn has come or not? I haven't asked questions, better. I've started asking questions. No, no. Hmm. So once I start asking questions, I'm seeing the names on the screen which I can see, and I'm going to ask you all. So all of you all must pay attention. Nobody should unmute their mics unnecessarily, and everybody listen because this is a revision. Okay. So we will begin with the first question, MCQ. Now, MCQ, you're going to get anywhere from the lesson, isn't it? So you have to read the whole lesson carefully and answer. So my first question is, what are the qualities of a brave dog? Aisha Malik will answer. Aisha Malik. Aisha Malik. What are the qualities of a brave dog? Aisha. Aisha Malik. Aisha Malik. Are you there? Okay, she's not answering. So Farana, are you there? What better?
Alicia.
So I was telling, no, I was asking you, what are the qualities of a brave dog? I was asking you this.
Bravery,
Yes,
imagination, and
yes.
wait.
Wit.
Read.
Wit means
Wait.
intelligence. Okay. So the
Okay.
qualities of a brave dog are bravery, imagination, and wit.
Bravery,
Ruby,
imagination,
ma'am.
and wait.
Okay, now please mute your mic. Yes, who is asking me a question?
Ruby, ma'am.
Yes, please. Who is it?
I am Tahira Malik.
Tell
आयशा
me.
मलिक आईडीज मैम मैं
But I,
दूसरी आईडी से ज्वाइन हुई हूँ इसीलिए
but when I ask you a question, you can ask me. You can tell me, no, ma'am, I'm Aisha. Okay. Okay.
मैम
Now,
माय
please.
माइक इज नॉट वर्किंग दैट्स व्हाई
Okay, mute your mic. Then mute your mic, and I will try to ask somebody else. Okay, mute your mic. All
ओके
of you,
मैम
mute your mic. Mute your mic. Okay, Farana. Farana is there. Lada Farana.
No, ma'am. Lada for him.
Farin is there. Farana is not there. Okay,
Yes,
now I
ma'am.
want to know whether the story, Farin, I'm asking you, whether the
Yes, ma'am.
story, Farin, is this a real life story or is it a fiction? That fiction means false story or a true story, real story or a fiction story.
True story.
Yes, it is a real life story. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, can
next
I
time.
read?
No, beta, we have already finished the explanation. I'm just revising all the MCQs. See what type of questions you might get for MCQs. From each and every line, there might be a question. So you'll have to read very carefully. Okay, now
Okay,
please
ma'am.
mute your mic, mute your mics.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I
Thank you,
want,
ma'am.
yes, I want uh, Siraz Kadri. Who is Siraz Kadri? Siraz Kadri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me, in which year did this story take place?
In 1925,
Okay. And in which month?
in January,
Okay. And in which place?
in northern Alaska.
In Nome in northern Alaska. Okay.
Yes.
Now you please meet your mic. Kausar Fatima. Who's Kausar Fatima? Who's Kausar Fatima? Girls,
Yes,
who's
ma'am.
yes. You have to tell me what disease were the children affected with? What was the name of the disease the children were affected with? Infected with? Okay. What was the disease the children were infected with? Are you listening better? Have you understood the lesson, Kausar?
Diphtheria.
Yes, it is right there in front of the screen. So they were infected with diphtheria. Okay. And what was the name of the doctor who was treating? What was the name of the doctor?
Curtis Welch.
It is not Curtis, it is Curtis Welch. It is Curtis Welch. Okay, it's Curtis Welch. Okay.
Ma'am, my name is Kathir.
But I didn't ask you. I will ask somebody when I call your name, you answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The next question I'm going to ask is let me see. Who is Irfan? Muhammad Irfan? Something name is not there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, myself Sheikh Marine.
Marine. Okay, Marine. You have to answer the question. What are the local people of Alaska called? What are the people residing inhabitants of Alaska called?
Ma'am,
Yes. It's
Eskimos.
Eskimos and Inuits. Both are there.
Inuits and Eskimos.
Okay, mute your mic. Okay. Now, who is Dr. Wahid Musani? Whose ID is that?
Ma'am, my Alicia.
Okay, Alicia. You tell me, from where was the medicine going to come? From where was the medicine going to be sent?
Alaska.
No. From where was the medicines going to be sent?
Eskimos.
No, beta. Understand the question. The medicines were going to come from one place, no? What was the name of that particular place? It is right there on the screen, beta.
ma'am, can
No,
I tell you?
no. You have to answer, beta. You read the paragraph, second paragraph, and you can find out the answer.
MENSCE.
No. From where was the medicine going to come? Look at the screen. You're sleeping?
No.
Then you're lying down on the bed and studying? Tell me better fast. Because I have to complete.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
From where was the medicine going to be?
Encourage.
Now, yes, now you know what is the question I was asking. Okay, now mute your mic.
Encourage.
Okay, Anchorage is the correct answer. The medicines were going to be sent from Anchorage. Okay, next. The medicines. Now, the next question I'm going to ask is Sakina Rajani. Sakina Rajani, who is Sakina Rajani?
Yes, ma'am. Rajani Sakina.
Yes, Rajani Sakina, you tell me that who decided on an alternate route? Who decided on an alternate route? Who decided on another route? Who was the person who decided that the medicines will now not go by flight or plane, but will go by an alternate route? Who decided it? Come on, girls, fast.
Ma'am, can you repeat question?
Who decided on an alternate route?
Ma'am, can I tell India?
No, you have to tell. Why, Insha? Who decided on an alternate route? It is right there in front of you. See the paragraph there. You don't know the answer? Sakina? Okay,
No,
Sirat,
ma'am.
Sirat Fatima. Sirat Fatima,
Yes, ma'am.
please tell me who decided on an alternate route. Who decided on an alternate route? You read the paragraph right in front of you. Nobody knows?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
know
I know
Turkey.
India.
Ma'am, I know
Okay.
Turkey.
Ma'am, I know India.
Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Insha, tell me.
Ma'am,
Insha,
government of Alaska.
government nahi, the governor of Alaska decided on an alternate route. Girls, you'll see the paragraph is right in front of you. I'm asking questions from there. Okay. Now, I want who's Roshan Kasmani?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Kasman Ifat.
Irfat. Now you tell me, how many kilograms of medicines were sent by train? How many
What,
kilograms?
ma'am?
How many kilograms of medicines were sent?
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
10
How
kilogram.
9 kilograms of medicine were sent, and to which place?
Alaska to.
No, 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 no. 9 kilograms of medicine were sent to which
No,
place?
no, no.
No, no. You see the lesson right in front of you.
Nenana.
Then you see carefully. See, you're making such careless mistakes. The paragraph is right in front of you. I'm asking you questions from there so that you'll get a practice of your MCQs. Okay. So okay. So how many kilograms? 9 kilograms of medicine was sent by train to a place called Nenana. So from Anchorage to Nenana, it was sent by train, and from Nenana to Nome, it was sent by sledge. Okay. Now
Okay.
suppose now all of you listen carefully. You can mute your mic better. Suppose you ask a question that uh, dash kilograms of medicine were sent 9, 10, 11. So you have to choose the answer 9 kilograms. Okay. Now the medicines were sent by train to a place called Nenana, Nome or Anchorage. You have to choose which answer.
Nenana.
Correct.
Nenana.
Yes. Yes, yes. So, since, okay, now how many kilometers was Nome from Nenana?
1,000 kilometers.
1000 kilometers.
1,000 kilometers.
Okay, 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 okay. Everybody don't answer. Then, finally, it was decided to be. Wait, stop. Better mute your mics, all of you. I will call out the name of the girl and she will answer. Mm, so, who is Siddhartha? MJ Siddhartha? Who is MJ Siddhartha? Who is MJ Siddhartha? She's not there. Siddhartha.
Ma'am, he is brother Dania.
Nia.
What?
Dania.
Ma'am,
Okay,
she is
Dan-
better Dania.
okay, okay. Siddhartha Dania, you have to answer. The rest of you mute your mics. Siddhartha Dania, are you there? Yes or no? Siddhartha. Siddhartha Dania. Okay, who is Siraj Kadri?
Yes,
Siraj
ma'am.
Kadri. Yes, now you have to answer the question that I asked you.
Yes, ma'am.
The medicines were transported to Nome by who? By who? Which transport? Which mode of transport?
Echoria.
What? 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 See, the medicines were transported, to Nome. How was it
And
sent? By train, by plane, or by sledge?
by
By
train.
sledge. Ma'am,
So
Ma'am,
By
you
a
asked
team of
me, but then also Kulsum is answering the question.
Kulsum, please don't interrupt. Okay, so it was decided that the medicines would be transported to Nome by teams of Alaskan dogs led by their mushers. Okay, what is the driver of the sledge called? Siraj Ganyani. Siraj Ganyani. Who's Siraj Ganyani? Siraj Ganyani.
Tell the thing.
Everybody mute their mics except Siraj Ganyani. Please tell me, what is the meaning of mushers? What is the meaning of mushers? Huh? What is the meaning of mushers? Girls, I'm asking you a question. Huh? What?
Eskimos.
Eskimos. What is the meaning of mushers?
Eskim.
No, no, no. You have learned, I have explained during the lesson, when I was giving the explanation that you've learned it. What is mushers? Okay, Rajani Sakina, please answer. Rajani Sakina, Shiraj Ganyani. Okay, why you are all moving away from the mic, or you're eating or doing something else? I want to know what is a musher. Musher, who is a musher? Can you tell me the meaning of musher?
Ma'am, can I Muskan?
Yes, Muskan, please.
Ma'am, drivers of the sledges is called mushers.
Very good. What? Very good.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
welcome. Then, okay, now the journey was made by how many mushers? 20 mushers, 40 mushers, or 30 mushers?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please, Mary.
Ma'am, 20 mushers.
And how many dogs? 130, 140, 150.
Ma'am,
One-
can I say Kasman Ifat?
Because she's already answered. Itfat, I'll ask you the next question. Rest of you mute your mics. Okay. On which date was the first medicines collected from Nenana? On which date? Yes.
Ma'am, 27. 27.
27 January. Okay. And what was the name of the musher of the first sledge? What was?
Bill Shannon.
Okay. And what was the name of the dog?
Blackie.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Now, yes, beta, who's asking me? You have a
Ma'am,
question? Yes, beta, ask me. Who was
Ma'am, you asked me the question, ma'am. You had not asked me.
What's your name, beta?
Ma'am, I'm Muskan.
Okay, Muskan is going to answer now. Okay. So the first musher, Bill Shannon, and his dog Blackie, they faced a lot of difficulty on the way. So what was the problems they faced on the way?
Ma'am, hypothermia and frostbite.
And other injuries.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Now again, Ismat Nayani. Ismat Nayani. Who is Ismat Nayani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me, the second musher's name. What is the name of the second musher's name of the second group of sledges? What was the second musher's name of the second group?
Ma'am,
Nayani?
can I say Alicia?
Yeah, please say.
Bill
Alicia, say.
Shannon.
No, that was of the first sledge. Who was of the second one?
Ma'am, Bill
Second,
Shannon.
Not Bill Shannon. Please read properly.
ma'am, can I say? Linold Hard,
No, beta. No, beta. You just see.
मैम ये अलीशा को आंसर दे
Alicia,
रही है.
Alicia, please answer properly. The first musher was Bill Shannon. Who was the musher of the second group? Don't know, beta.
Ma'am, I know Muskan.
Okay, Muskan, say the answer, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Henry Ivanov.
Very good. So the first musher was Bill Shannon. The next was Henry Ivanov. Okay, and Muskan, you mute your mic. I will ask.
Ma'am,
Let
my
me
turn
see.
is not coming. Malik Tahira.
Okay, Malik Tahir, you answer now. Okay, what was the
Okay.
problem did Henry Ivanov have on the way? What trouble did he face? What trouble?
Ran into trouble when his team
Yes,
ran into a reindeer and got
tangled up. Very good. And okay, what was the name of the next musher of the third sledge?
Leonhard
Leonhard. Leonhard Sepala.
Sapala. Sapala.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Was Sepala the fastest or the slowest driver? It's not there now. You have to remember. Was Sepala the fastest or the slowest driver?
Slowest.
No, he was the fastest driver. He couldn't drive on any even of the most difficult terrains. Okay. Now, what problem did Sepala face on the way?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, blizzard, ranging blizzard.
Okay, raging blizzard. Correct. Now, please mute your mic. Who's Jamani? Jamani? Who's Jamani? Who's Jamani?
Jamani Aliza.
Aliza, please reply now, okay? You have to answer. What was the name of the dog which was like which Sepala led of the sledge? What was the Sepala was a musher of one of the sledges, and what was his dog's name? Who was leading the sledge?
I know. Ma'am, can I marry?
No, first let her try. Let her try. Who's that, Jamani? Jamani, please answer.
Jamani Aliza.
Aliza, please answer.
हाँ.
What was the name of Sepala's dog who was leading the sledge?
Ma'am,
Can I?
I want Zamani to answer. Alicia Zamani. What was the name of the dog which led Sepala's sledge?
ma'am, I don't know.
See the paragraph in front of you.
Ma'am,
See the paragraph in front of you. So Zamani, you don't know, you're not paying attention. It is written right in front of you. You see the paragraph better.
yes, ma'am.
Read, you will know. What was the name of the dog who led Sepala's sledge?
Even
You read properly. What was the name of the dog which led Sepala's sledge? Read from the paragraph. Read the paragraph properly.
Togo.
Yes. And how old was Togo? How old was Togo?
12 years old.
Yes. So why was it you finding it so difficult? Because you are not reading the lessons. You have to read the lessons because you get MCQ from anywhere. Today I'm showing you the lesson, but on the exam day you'll not be shown the lessons.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Mute your mic. Who is Muskan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you tell me what was the challenge that Ivanov had to face? Ivanov and Togo had to face.
Ma'am, ice flew.
Yes, ice flow.
Yes,
Ice flow.
my flew.
The ice
Ice
has started. The ice has started to crack, and there was an ice flow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now mute your mic. Okay. Again, who's Kausar Fatima? Once more. Kausar Fatima. Kausar Fatima. MJ Siddharthar. MJ Siddharthar. Not answering. Muhammad
Yes, ma'am.
Irfan. Siddharthar
Yes,
is
ma'am.
answering. One second. Siddharthar is answering.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Siddharthar
repeat
will.
the question, please.
Wait. Wait, Siddharthar will answer, beta.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Kausar Fatima. Ma'am, Kausar Fatima.
Kausar Fatima. Okay. Now tell me, on when did the next team reach
1st February.
1st February, and it was led by which Masha? What was the name of the Masha? What was the name of the Masha? What was the name of
Oh,
Charlie Olson?
also.
Charlie Olson. Maybe L might be silent. It could be Austin also. We have to check out. Okay. And Charlie Olson passed the medicines on 1st February to which Masha? What was the name of the Masha? To whom did he pass? To whom did he pass the medicines?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am,
But
can I marry?
let her try, that girl who is answering. Beta,
Gunnar Kesson.
Gunnar Kasen. Gunnar Kasen. Okay, it could be Gunnar Kasen. It can be pronounced as Gunnar Kasen also. So on 1st
Ma'am,
February, Charles Olson handed over the medicines to Gunnar Carlsen. And this was the last lap of the journey. That was the last few miles, last kilometer, 100 kilometers of the journey. Okay. Now, Gunnar Carlsen's team was Carlsen's team was led by which dog?
Ma'am, can I marry?
Yeah. What is the name of the dog? Yes, better.
Ma'am, the name of the dog is Balto.
Okay. And how old was Balto?
Balto was 3 years old.
Okay. And what was Balto called? What was the name given to him? Was considered as what type of a dog?
Ma'am, can I say Muskan?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, Balto was given the name Scrub Dog,
And what does it mean?
a slow walking dog.
Very good.
Thank you,
No.
ma'am.
Okay, mute your mic. Now, next, who's going to answer? Marine? Marine, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have to answer now. What was the temperature when during the last lap? What was the temperature?
50 degrees Celsius.
It was minus 50 degrees Celsius. See, the minus sign is there.
Yes, ma'am, minus 50 degrees Celsius.
And what was the speed of the wind?
50 miles an hour.
Very good. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, I want to give answer, Muskan.
okay, Muskan, now you say, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
When did they reach Nome?
Ma'am, Ma'am, at 127 hours.
No, that is okay. I'm talking about the date. When did they reach Nome?
On 2 February.
2nd February.
Yes, ma'am. On 2nd February at 5:30 a.m.
Okay, okay. And that was how many hours actually it took? It took how many hours and how many miles it covered?
Ma'am, they covered.
Beta, answer.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
They took how many hours to reach and how many miles did they cover?
Ma'am, she has
You answer, no, beta, if you know.
take 100.
No, it is written on that first paragraph. See, on 2nd February, before that. It took 20 hours and final 53 miles. Okay. And it
Okay,
also, and okay, now in how many days was the medicine delivered? In how many days was the medicine delivered? In how many days was the medicine delivered?
ma'am, can I tell that?
Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Who was that who shouted
Seven.
loudly? Yes, beta. Say. Come on. It took how many hours?
Ma'am, she took 127 hours.
1 second, but let me tell you.
Ma'am, Malik Tahir, I know.
I know, but let me tell you, it took only 7 days after leaving Anchorage. From Anchorage to Nenana, I think, Anchorage, it took 7 days and just a little more than 127 hours after leaving Nenana. So from Anchorage to Nenana, it took only 7 days. Whereas it took and more than 27 hours after leaving Nenana. So from Nenana to Nome, it took 27 hours. Okay, now the next question goes to, okay, who is Siddhartha again? Fareen is there, Fareen? Fareen or Farana? Not there? Okay, no problem. So again, I will ask who is Iqbal Malik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have to tell me. Um how do you know that Balto became famous? Yes, beta. Okay. Tell me the. Yes, tell me. Come on.
Balto became famous because
We come to know that he became famous. Why? Because his.
appear on front cover newspaper.
Yes. And what was the name that name the press gave of the story of Balto? What was the name the press
Great
gave?
Race of Mercy.
Great race of mercy. Mercy means to have kindness and pity. Okay. Now, you can mute the mic. I can ask somebody else. Sakina Rajani. Rajani Sakina. Sakina Rajani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you answer. What was the short Hollywood film in which Balto was performing? What was the short Hollywood film titled? What was the? Yes, beta.
Muskan.
Please answer. Beta, everybody don't answer together. I called out somebody's name. No, only she must answer. Yes, beta. What was the title of the film in which Balto acted? Come on, fast. Yes, girls. Okay, anybody. Muskan or
Yes.
anybody. Yes. Muskan, tell me, what was the name of the Hollywood film in which Balto had acted?
Ma'am,
can I marry?
Balto's
Bal-
race to Gnome.
Very good, very good. And now, Marin, you tell me, where was Balto's life-size statue? Where was the life-size statue of Balto?
Ma'am, in New York City.
And what was the name of the? It was New York City Central Park, and it was unveiled on which date? It was unveiled on which date? Unveiled on which? Yes, yes. Tell me.
I Muskan. On 17 December 1925.
Very good. Okay. Then after he was he was bought by some company. What was the company?
Ma'am,
It was a yes, better tell me. It was a dog show company. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. In the last 6 years of his life, where was he? Where was Balto?
Ma'am, what?
Last years of his life, where was Balto?
At the Cleveland Zoo.
Cleveland Zoo. Very good. Okay. And where was his body put for display?
At the Cleveland Museum of
Natural History.
Very good. Very good. Now we did this match the column. Yes, that day.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we have done.
Yes, we did it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So and I think now it's nearly time to wind up. So all of you read the lesson properly because you will be getting your MCQs from the lessons. Okay.
Ma'am, but I don't have textbook of English.
But then sir would have sent the PDF. No.
No, ma'am. I have not textbook PDF.